I bet you can't guess what one of those reservoirs costs these days. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's a real shitty day. Just got off of work and my reservoir sprung a leak. These plastics get brittle, even though I'm pretty sure they're treated and coated to withstand the heat under here, but that's probably the original tank. I mean, it's been in there since I had the truck, so yeah. So I'm thinking, yeah, go to the parts store, order it on eBay or Amazon, just a Dorman, aftermarket part. You wouldn't guess what that thing costs. I mean, shit, I was thinking 39 bucks, 49. Hell, I'd be willing to pay 69 for it. 110. 110 for that. Yep. Part number 603046. Yeah, this is highway robbery. And again, it's blamed on the COVID, that the ships are not coming into port and they're not unloading these ships and everything. All this crap from China. Yeah, we depend on China for everything now. Yeah. Hey, at least they gave me a new cap. Oh, Taiwan, I'm sorry. Still, it's made overseas. Parts aren't coming in, so parts are stupid high. Some parts are just ridiculous. I mean, it's just highway robbery. I mean, they're pretty much slopping whatever price they want on this bullshit. And it's insane, man. It's crazy. I would have never thought, 110 bucks. And the crazy part is I always look for parts for these 7.3s, and I'm always running across these, these Dorman, this part. 2 years ago, 49 bucks. 49 bucks. Same part, same manufacturer, everything. Yeah. So I got it at O'Reilly's. That was the cheapest place around for me to get it. Amazon couldn't beat it. eBay couldn't beat it. Advance, is it Advance Auto now? Hell, I don't know. But O'Reilly was the cheapest. I called around. And they got it to me within a couple hours, so that was nice. So I'm going to put this on now. I'm going to lose some coolant. I already got some there. So get this switched out. The only thing you need for this job is 10 millimeter extension. There's 3 bolts. One right there. That's 2. And where's the third one? It was somewhere down there. Right there. That's the third one. So 3 of them, 10 millimeter pair of pliers to get your overflow. And yeah, so let me get to it and I'll continue the video. Alright guys, so yeah, I believe it's the original one because it took me a while to get the mounting nuts off. There's one nut and 2 bolts to get that off. So yeah, and this truck is not from up north, so they were on there, they were tight. But yeah, I just have to remove the big hose. Now for this, I'm not going to tape it because I want to do a pretty quick switch. I don't want to lose a lot of coolant because I only have a small pan down there, and plus shit, coolant might be $20 a gallon. I don't even know what coolant is right now, but that might be a $20 gallon of coolant right there that I paid $6 something for. Alright, so I'm going to pull this off, and once I seat my new tank, I'll continue the video. But this is basically basic stuff. I mean, there's just 2 bolts and 1 nut, and yeah, so yeah, pretty basic stuff. And yeah, let me get this together and we'll continue the video. I gotta grab an extra hand because I'm gonna pull it off and she's gonna pull the tank up and do it real quick. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so here it is. I done the swap. I got my lower hose on. I'm gonna do the top one, put my mounting bolts and nuts on, put the cap on, start the truck, and just monitor the level, let the truck run. Another word of advice, I don't know if I told you guys, I just got home like 20 minutes ago. The truck sat for like 10 minutes only. Yeah, the coolant was pretty hot. Dumbass me, but all right. All right, so let me get this on. Let me get my hoses on and go from there. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you where my crack was. Where is it at? There it is right there. There's my crack, and I noticed that this morning filling up, and it was not a great feeling to have. You know, at 8 in the morning going to work, you got coolant spraying out because of the pressure. But, yeah, there it is. So I got everything mounted up here. Got my hoses on. What I'm going to do now is just start the truck, run it for a few minutes, see how much it drops so I could put some coolant in there, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on this crazy adventure with these 7.3s. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.